Hello and welcome to another video by Haste Computer Repair. Today's custom PC is built into this Gamdias Apollo E2 Elite Gaming PC case. And we have an i7-5930K CPU, 6 cores and 12 threads, fitted onto a ASUS X99-A/USB 3.1 motherboard. And that is a Noctua NH-D9DX CPU cooler. And we have 16 gigabytes of Corsair DDR4 3200 MHz RAM. For the graphics card, we have a Gigabyte GTX 1080, 8 gigabytes of GDDR5 memory. And powering it all, we have an EVGA 500 watt power supply. And there's Windows 10 installed on this 1TB ADATA Legend 840 NVMe solid state drive. On the top I/O of the case, we have USB 3.0, USB 2.0, microphone and headphone input, and this LED button controls the 2 air intake fans. Onto the rear I/O of the motherboard, we have a USB BIOS flashback button, USB 2.0, USB 3.1, USB 3.0, mouse and keyboard PS2 port, RJ45 Ethernet port, audio in and out. And on the GTX 1080, we have 3x DisplayPort, 1x HDMI, and 1x DVI. Now, it's quite a pleasure to test out this CPU and GPU combo. So now let's take a look at the gaming and benchmarks.